Hi there, it's Sue Stapp. I have not done a video in quite a while, so I'm happy to be joining you again. And I'm really happy because I just carried in from my front porch this big, heavy 21-pound package from Stampin' Up, which is inside the holiday catalog. The catalog and the pre-order that I had ordered as a demonstrator, I get to order for the public. And so I thought I'd share with you what I ordered and show you a little bit of the catalog. So let's see what we got here. I'm gonna set this aside a little bit so I have a little working room. I decided to do it here on my desk instead of the kitchen table. I don't know if that was the best idea. Wrapping. All right, let's see. There's my order sheet. I'm just going to start off in no particular order, just whatever's on top here. This is the first set that is in the box. It's called Shining Bright. And I love the script on this Peace on Earth. A lot of times I'm not necessarily looking for just a Christmas card, but this lovely star would be beautiful with the Peace on Earth. And of course I love this tree. Excuse me, looks like a poinsettia tree. So that's the first one. Oh, the second one is so cute. It's called Christmas Crowd. And I'm going to be doing my Christmas card again this year, where I do for 3 months, September, October, and November. On the third Saturday of the morning at 10 a.m., I do a Christmas card club where you will make 10 Christmas cards, and if you attend all 3 months, you will make 30 cards to mail out to your friends and family. So this has this cute little crowd of Santa and bear, reindeer, penguin, elves, little squirrel, even a snowman. So, and I love this sentiment, family and friends are the best part of Christmas. And may this Christmas be the best ever. That is so cute. All right, what's next? Oh, this, I have played with this because my upline, Tamara Davis, stopped over with some of her information she'd gotten when she was on her incentive cruise, and they previewed the holiday catalog. And this just stamps beautifully. I'm not a big one to buy Christmas tree stamps because I have quite a few of them in my stash. But this one especially, it's one of the ones that has the detail, light and dark colors on it. And one of the nice things about it too is that it has a coordinating punch. And you know I love punches. If I can stamp something and then punch it out and maybe put a dimensional on and pop up on a card, I just think it makes it absolutely stunning. Hoping that your busy year comes together in Christmas cheer. May this special season be wrapped in love and joy. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I guess I love the holidays, huh? Now here's one that has a lot of different sentiments on it in different scripts. And raise your glass, cheers, congratulations. This one says to the new year. This one says to the bride and groom. So again, it's not necessarily just for the holidays. And this one says eat, drink, and have a Merry Christmas. This one says to you and yours, and there's a little squiggle design. So this could be obviously New Year's, Christmas, any holiday party, or anytime you get together with friends and want to just use the cheers, maybe raise your glass. It can be a birthday celebration. It could be an invitation to a birthday party. So I like that the holiday catalog is called a holiday catalog, but really most of the things in here you can use year round, if not all of the stamps, at least part of them in a set. So this is Cheers to That is the name of this set, and it's one of our new Cling stamp sets. And then this one is so cute. It has the little elves. It's called #Elfie. I like this. This will be for tags, of course. It says no peeking, a holiday hello, And this one says, may your Christmas be merry and full of delight with a new year that's healthy and bright. That's nice. I like that it mentioned the word healthy because as I'm aging and I have a lot of friends in the same age group, healthy is very important, and it's important to everyone, but as we get older, we realize how important it is. So I think that's a great sentiment to have in there. Let's see what else is in here. Now, these are the stamp sets. Oh, here's another one. Now, I like birds, of course, any kind of birds, but this one especially, it's called Birds of a Feather, and it has this chick with a heart. That could be for Valentine's Day or just to someone that you love. Wishing you a joyful Christmas from their little flock. That's cute. Sending love, enjoy the season, give thanks. There's a turkey here to do a Thanksgiving card. And then there's a little duck with an eye patch for trick-or-treating. Isn't he cute? Love it, love it, love it. Okay, now this is something for the Halloween season. It's called a coffin treat box, and it's a 3-dimensional box that you can fill with candies or gift cards or anything that you prefer. And I ordered a couple of those because I think that those will be really cute to give as gifts. And there's 12 in a package, so it's a great bargain. All right, what else is in here? Oh, these. I haven't worked a lot with masking lately. And I used to, especially on scrapbook pages. But these are just beautiful. Let me grab a piece of paper. Hopefully a clear sheet or a solid sheet of paper. Well, do I have one here? The question is, do I have a piece of solid paper? I could go over to my copy machine or my printer. Okay, so these are masks, and I like to use masks because I like to do sponging, and they just give a great background look. Isn't that pretty? I love like a fleur-de-lis kind of pattern. And then this one is pretty. It's trees, and that would be great as a background behind some stamps for the holidays or any time of year. And then there's polka dots. Now, who doesn't love polka dots? And you can do it. I've seen these done in a gradient color where you start with a very light blue, a medium, and then a darker blue. And I've also seen it with different pastels mixed in there, and it was gorgeous. This is one of my favorites of the set, and there's 4 of these in this set. And I just think it looks so elegant. And again, I've seen this done in the gradient, half and half or diagonal. You can really get your sponge out and just go crazy. You know, that's what I like to do. Love my sponging. Okay, so there's 4 of those in there. I'll share a bunch of these finished products with you whenever I get them going. Here's my other package of coffin boxes. This is one of the new embossing folders, and it has a lot of detail in it. It's called Stylish Scroll, and I think it's very elegant. I think this would be great like for a wedding card, a sympathy card. It just looks very, very elegant to me. So again, that's called Stylish Scroll. And then here's another embossing folder. Oh no, these are dies. These are called Cheers dies. And these go with the Cheers stamp set. What was the name of it? Christmas, no, not Christmas Proud. Cheers to that. Oh, and that's the one that had the New Year's and all the other celebrations in there. There's the opening on this. But I want to open this up. Give me a minute here. I plan to do this a lot faster this morning, but, you know, I just get into this. It's crazy. These dies, this one says Cheers, and that's going to do the cutout word Cheers. And I've seen that at the top, or there's a swirly scroll, and you put the stamps on there with some glasses, and it's fun to do the Cheers. Now, there are some additional things that are available that I ordered. Now, this isn't in the holiday catalog. This is an add-on set to go with the paper pumpkin that's coming out in September. And I went ahead and ordered 2 of them because I'm going to be doing a paper pumpkin class in September to introduce new stampers to the paper pumpkins, and also people who've been stamping for a while because it's such a convenient tool to use. I've had several people who've used it over the holidays or over the summer, and they've taken it on their vacations, or if they're going at their beach house for an extended stay, they've taken or subscribed to Paper Pumpkin and had a good time utilizing those things and having everything right at their fingertips. Of course, I had to order some paper, and of course, there's the Cherry Cobbler, which is my favorite red, and the Garden Green for Christmas cards. My pile's getting a little high. And this one is a 12 by 12 set called Brightly Gleaming Designer Specialty Paper. Now, that's a tongue twister in itself. But look at the beauty on these. One side has foil. This is a copper star on this one. Look at the beautiful ornaments. And the back of it is a green. And you get 2 of each sheets. This one is nice. Now this is another year-round thing. You wouldn't have to use this just for holidays. The back is very pretty. That almost looks like that scroll embossing folder. And then this one is, I love the metallic look on these. And then this one, oh, how pretty is that? And this probably more so says the holidays because it looks like it has hollow on it. But stars on the background and the blue and the green. Here's a geometric, oh, I love it. Just the fancy foil, even if it's just a strip along a card, makes such an impact. And you can really stretch it to go pretty far. I like doing that because, like everyone else, I'm on a stamping budget, unfortunately. Oh, here's the punch for that Christmas tree that I showed you the stamp set on. And, you know, like I said, punches are my favorite. I like all the dies because you can get a lot of detail. However, the punches are so easy. You just open them like that, and you put your paper in there like that, and you give it a punch. And look at that pretty Christmas tree. Let's see if we can get some pretty paper here to put behind. Isn't that pretty? Oh, you could just do that on a card too. Look how pretty that is. See, things happen by accident frequently whenever I'm creating. I guess everything's by accident when I'm creating. I do have some new brochures. I have lots of catalogs to share with everyone. I did order some extra heavyweight cardstock. Again, I'm going to be doing the Christmas card club and the heavy thick cardstock, it's called. Comes in real handy for things that you want to pop up, or if you want to have it a little heavier grade card. This is a wonderful, wonderful paper. Okay, so here we go. The unveiling of the catalog. What's this little bag of goodies? Oh my goodness, look how tiny these are. Whew. This is going to be probably something that I better put on a piece of paper or I will lose it all. Here's a pretty solid one. Let's see if we have one here. It's pretty solid. Stripes. This one's not bad. The green show's pretty good. These have, they're called Snowflake Sequins. Oh my gosh, these are being great for shaker cards. And I love shaker cards too. I just love everything about Stampin' Up. What can I say? Look at those cute little sequins. Doo, doo, doo. Pretty white little snowflakes and silver centers. Oh, so cute, so cute. So that would be great inside a shaker card or as an embellishment on your card. These would be great to sprinkle over the tree punch. Just put little dots of glue and sprinkle where you may, and they will stick to the areas, and they'll look like you took hours and hours to decorate your card or your Christmas tree. Let's see, is there anything else in here before I show you the catalog? New catalog. I ordered a couple more of my Stampin' Blends. Oh, and this is something that's come back. Now, we used to have this In fact, I still use it. When something's going out, I like to get it. And this is, it's called Shimmery Crystal Effects. Now this, Crystal Effects went away a long time ago. Crystal Effects is a glossy additive that you're going to put right on your cards. Now I just made a card for each of my granddaughters who are starting school next week, and they go to Envision Science Academy here in Wake Forest. But I don't know if you can see that little apple on the top of the books there. Sorry to move it around so much, but do you see how shiny that is? It's actually elevated up off the paper, and that's using the Crystal Effects. So I'm glad that that's back. And this looks like it's even better because it has some shininess to it, some sparkle. Okay, and these are three of the Stampin' Blend pens that I didn't have in my collection yet. And they're the light seafoam and the dark seafoam. And then this one is a replacement. Oh no, this is Mossy Meadow. I didn't have that either. I had Old Olive and some of my other basics, but I didn't have the Mossy Meadow. So that's in here too. Here's the other one. And whenever you order the light and the dark, you get them for $9 for the set, or you can order them individually, which is nice because like our Stampin' Write markers, you can only order those in sets. So that you can buy these individually if you just want to buy a couple for the holidays. And they're nice. I use them all the time. I used them this morning. I used them on that card that I just made my granddaughters. They have a paintbrush end here, and that does a nice wide swatch. And they're called Stampin' Blends, and they do blend. You can use a light and a dark together, and then there's also a fine line, so that's going to go like that. But the colors, the ink will blend together, so it makes a very nice option for coloring in your cards. Who doesn't like to color? This is the cover. I think I'm allowed to show the cover. I just can't show the insides, maybe? I don't know. There's some things that I can't show with Stampin' Up, so I'm not going to get in trouble. At least not today. But I will be back with some samples that I make from this catalog very soon. And if you're interested in the Christmas Card Club, please contact me at SueStapp1@gmail.com, and I'll give you the full information. I can send you a printout on it. And you do need to pre-register because seating is limited, of course. And when we're making those cards, we have 10 of them, so we kind of do it assembly line. So each person has to have a good workspace. So that's why I limit the seating. So that is what's in the box today. And who knows whatever else might be in the bottom here that I'm not seeing. But I don't think there's anything else that I've forgot to share with you. Also, let me mention too, I'm going to be starting a beginner's card making class, and I will be doing that on a regular basis. My first one is next Friday. That is August 9th. And if you're a beginner and would like to join us, again, get a hold of me, email me, SueStapp1@gmail.com. You can also message me on my Stampin' Up website, and my Stampin' Up website, where you can also shop at, is SueStapp.stampinup.net. There's my email, SueStapp1, it's the number 1, @gmail.com. And then this is my website, SueStapp.com. Now, I've been out of the picture a little bit, going through some family issues the last 6 months, but I am feeling stronger and better, and I've gotten my creative mojo back, so that makes it nice. Got a little glue on here. I don't know how I did that. I have to make a new one of those. Glue gets everywhere. But thanks for joining me, and thanks for hanging in there with me. I do appreciate it. I appreciate your business, and if I can be of any help to you in creating your stamping dreams, then please get a hold of me. I'm here in Wake Forest, but of course everything is done nationwide. We can do anything in the United States. A lot of the stuff is over the internet or by mail, and you don't have to necessarily live in my neighborhood, but you can, as long as you're in the United States, we can work together to make some beautiful cards. So take care. I'll be back soon. And thanks for joining me. Happy stamping.